In this video, you'll learn how to log into your Slack account. This process will guide you through accessing your workspace efficiently, ensuring you are connected to your team and projects. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. For this example, you can use Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Google homepage by typing www.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. After the Google homepage loads, locate the search bar in the center of the page, type Slack into the search bar and press Enter again. This action will initiate a search for Slack, bringing up a list of results related to the platform. Once the search results are displayed, look for the link labeled Slack, AI Work Platform and Productivity Tools, Slack. This is typically one of the top results. Click on this link to be directed to the official Slack website. When the Slack homepage appears, locate the button that says Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the login screen, where you will be prompted to enter your credentials. On the login screen, you will see a message asking you to enter your email to sign in. If you have previously signed in with Google, you may also see an option that says OSIGN in with. This provides you with alternative login methods, including Google. If you wish to sign in using your Google account, click on the Google button. This will redirect you to the Google sign-in page, where you may need to choose the correct account if you have multiple Google accounts linked to your browser. After selecting your Google account, you may be prompted to click on your email address displayed on the screen. This action will authenticate your access to Slack using your Google credentials. Upon successful authentication, click on the Continue button to finalize your sign-in process. This will direct you back to Slack, where you will see a welcome message indicating that you are logged in. Finally, once you are logged into your Slack workspace, you will be greeted with a message such as, "Welcome back, stay hydrated." This confirms that you have successfully signed in and can now access your channels and direct messages. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.